Hey everyone, so today I'm building a complete brand kit. That's logo and all live right now using a mix of Claude and Gemini. Now the idea, instead of paying a designer hundreds of pounds, I'm just gonna generate a proper logo with AI and then build a tidy brand page that holds all my colors, fonts, and logo variations all in one place. Now by the end of this video, you'll know how to make your very own. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the brand image that I wanna use. I just got it from the internet, but today we're gonna assume that it's my brand. So we've got this image and I'm gonna go into Gemini. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna type in, this is my brand logo. It includes all of the brand colors. Please create a kit for me to use as reference for my brand. And I'm gonna hit enter and see what it brings. Okay, so we've just waited a couple minutes and it has now sent us over a nice brand identity style guide. Now it's just an image, nice PNG, and to be honest, the resolution isn't great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna chuck this into Claude and make it into a PDF that then we can share with the rest of our team and also clients. So now we're in Claude, we are literally just going to input the PNG file of the new brand kit that Gemini created for us. And then we're going to type in, here is my brand logo and guidelines. Can you please turn this into a high resolution PDF for my brand? We're going to hit enter and see what it brings out. And here we are, Claude has actually extracted all of the different colors of our brand, as you can see here. And it's even gone into the brand guideline PDF that we can then have a look at and download. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. It goes into the color palette, the typography, it shows the logo on different backgrounds, what is good, what isn't, logo what to use, what not to use. Overall, this is pretty good for something that just took a few minutes. Now, of course, you can make this as in-depth as you want, but right now I'm just gonna download this, go onto TinyHost, and I'm gonna press upload file, upload again, and all we're gonna do is import this brand guideline. I'm just gonna call this brand guidelines and press publish. Now this is literally live within seconds for people to have a look at, for me to share with my team and also clients to read and understand how to use the brand in ads, PDFs, and anything they want to use. Now, we can also share this as a QR code. If I wanted to be really secure about it, I can go into update, press update files, and change to have password protected. But that's it. That's how you create a PDF within minutes using Gemini and Claude. And there it is, a logo designed all in Gemini, a brand kit built in Claude and hosted on TinyHost with its own domain. So comment a brand name that you would love to design, and thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.